Hi, I a few weeks ago I spent some time with my Canadian friends in Karuizawa. Well, you don't know where Karuizawa is. Well, it's a place about 80 miles north of Tokyo, and many Canadians and Americans living in Japan spend the summer there. And my grandparents had the summer house there, and I went there every year when I was young. And I also had the chance to visit Karuizawa this last month, and I had a good time. And my Canadian friends said, well, they really enjoyed it, but they also said that they missed the folk music festival in Edmonton. But they're also pleased that Mary Chapin Carpenter sang Four Strong Winds for that. And I told them that I went to high school with Mary, and they couldn't believe it, but I really did. This is from 1976. That's where I went to high school. I'll show you. Whoa, where did it go? Here. That's Mary. She was already a great musician as a high school student. Well, we didn't know each other very well, and she never really paid any attention to me. Well, my picture. I'll show you my picture. Okay. This is my picture. Can you see it? This one. I was very young. I'm getting old. And my friends and I had a barbecue, and we sang Four Strong Winds together after that. And they told me that I sing very well. I never thought I sing well, but they also told me to sing Four Strong Winds again and put it on YouTube. People will like it. Well, maybe not. So I'll sing Four Strong Winds, this time by myself. I want to sing the Neil Young's version because I bought his album Comes a Time when I was a high school student, and I played that album over and over again, and Four Strong Winds in the Comes a Time is more familiar with me. So I just sing Neil Young's version. Okay. Think I go out to Alberta, weather is good there in the fall. I got some friends that I could go to working for. Still I wish you'd change your mind if I ask you one more time. But we've been through that 100 times or more. Four strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high. All those things that don't change, come what may. If our good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on, I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. If I get there before the snow flies and the things were looking good, you could meet me if I send you down the fair. Then it would be a winter, not too much for you to do. Those winds sure blow cold way out there. 4 strong winds that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high. All those things that don't change, come what may. Good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way.